Alright guys, welcome back again. Yeah. Yesterday was our last streak day. Today I'm looking to do base risk of 100. Sorry, not base risk of 100. The losing streak adjustment risk of 100. That is, yeah. And then if I get a win, I will increase back to base risk of 200 to 350. Yeah, pretty much. What's funny is on my old top step plan, my losing streak adjustment is actually 0.5% risk, meaning it's around $250. Sorry, $250 or 200, and my base risk is actually 1%. But I think those are new rules of Birol. I don't know. Maybe I adjusted those or something. But yeah, pretty much. So currently, I don't trust this range shAould. No, I don't trust this, and I don't trust this. It looks really, really ugly. This does. This does not look like something you want to trust. And I'm only looking at this right here. Just quickly get rid of all that shitty executions. Shit, what's that? Yeah, sorry. So I'm looking at just this area right here, balanced price range. I want to see how we react to it, if we can get a sell off from it. If we do get some sort of sell around this area, then I'm going to look for a sell lower to these equal lows right here, ideally. And even though we are in a balanced price range, got Monday's high here, Monday's high. Sorry, Monday's high here and a buy side there. This is also an SMT. Thing is, I prefer it not taking that out yet, coming lower, come for this sell side. We have a daily trend line kind of forming as well. Right, yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, so somewhat smooth there. Got that H4 is a classic bull flag, pole, bull flag, and got a trend line again right there. And if we go to the H1, we got sell side right here. We also got buy side, I'm aware of that, but it's in the form of consolidation, which is the bull flag to me. But we've also got these here, these are equal lows to me, a sell side as well. And we've got Asia low right here. We've got Asia low from 5th of April, which is, I think there was last week that was, so Friday's Asia low right here as well. So I think we'd want to come there as well. Like ideally then we'd want to look for higher prices on these session lows. Yesterday was so funny though. I realized that the sells I took yesterday, which was a loss, and that was all the way, just go on a minute. The sells I took yesterday, which were a loss, I had the Asia high marked out, but I didn't fucking sell above it. I sold right below it, and I should have really sold above it, pretty much, like right here. Asia high was actually around here somewhere, and I was selling here. No, sorry, wait, was it even this one? No, I don't think it was this one, sorry. Yeah, sorry, Asia high was, this was 1st of April, so I'm looking for, okay. of April, sorry. Yeah, this one here. So Asia high was actually right around here. It was and I had it marked out. I was actually waiting for it to get taken, but I think at the time I already thought it was taken or something. I don't know what it was. But I sold here. I should have really sold right around here. It was coming lower. I made 60. Boom, that would have been easy. And then here 50% retracement. Not taking this, but taking on this right here, optimal trade entry, which is right there, as you can see. And then if I took that as a like say I made bread on this one and then did not take the 50% retracement, seen if this is holding, and then took the upload trade entry right here, and I would have called easy, nice fat win on this day, pretty much. That would have been really good. And you can see it comes back up and he takes a London low and comes back up and pretty much. But currently thingy I'm looking at this right here, all of this trend line right there. I want to see if we can just come here and then make the model right here, and if we do make the model there, then I'd want to see if we can make a SysD come lower, and then I'll just enter on that. I don't care, around 100 risk. But yeah, I'm only going to look for 2R as well, that's it, and once I get back on the win, I'll risk 200, I don't mind. We do have PMI at 3 PM, but this is Canadian, so it doesn't really mean anything, to be honest. It doesn't do anything, it doesn't mean anything, I don't give a shit about it. I think right now we want to aim for this high right here, because this high is a buy side. I don't want to trust the buys there, because it could just do what it did here, where it came into the trend line a bit and then went higher. That was this trend line here, so we originally had it from here, kind of, and then it just, no sorry, it was from here. You can see it just like, you know, tricked people into whatever, and you could quickly adjust it right there as well, so yeah. So let's see what it does. Right now, if you look at the PA, the reason I say it's terrible is because we look at 30 second, even the 1 minute, even the 2 minute, there's just a lot of like lethargic kind of price action, that's all. So like there's BCs, but it's just BCs and CVs back and forth over each other. There's no clear direction per se. That's only within this range here. Since 12 PM, since 7 AM it's been really lethargic, as you can see. And this is consolidation. I don't think it's consolidation actually, because it's still been giving moves. It's more like time distortion. It's like accumulating for something, and I'll see how it reacts here, and if we can give a move here, pretty much. Reason I trust this area as well is if you go to the H4, this low to that high, this comes right inside of the 50% dealing range, H4, so just get that marked out as well, why not? 2477.50, H4 dealing range. We're not dealing with a one-sided market today either, even though London low got wicked more or less, but there was no H1 order block at midnight open. You see you get taken right here. And another thing is, even though it did wick London lows, it took Asia lower at this all already, so I don't think it's a one-sided market today at all. Okay, let's see the opening price does. I'm thinking it should come here, ideally. This is what I want, not what I see though. I guess it did come there then. Alright, that's this here. I want to see if that's the Judas swing. Okay, that was a nice reaction, so I'm going to go 15 seconds on that. Really nice reaction. Okay, I'm only for 1 minute line, if I'm going to take that sell. Okay, org is actually filled, more or less. Or if it comes and retest that, then org would be good. Like really good, I think. Yeah. So org CE is actually at the 15 BPR. Let me check actually, because a new minute just came in. Yeah, pretty much. Although I would want to see it come back in there, I don't mind it. Alright, 2 minutes is ST right there. Potentially coming in. 1 minute definitely there. I'm only gonna add micro on that, but get it. Alright. I don't think it'll give it to me though. Shit. Perfect, man, perfect. Looks like it's coming into that perfectly. Does it give it to me? 50% retracement, that's fine. Need to like pinpoint that. 2 minute given. Use the 15-second as entry.
Order filled.
I want to see if that's enough. Yeah, definitely. I wanted to see how much risk I can get on that. $280. Quite a lot, man. What the hell? Shit, that is. Okay, let's see if we can continue from here now. I mean, 1 micro is all I can afford on this. Unless I scale in. If I scale in, I'm scaling. It has to really aggressively come below this. And then give me optimal trade entry. Yep. Alright, let's check the first presented. It's made yet, it's not made yet. Yeah, definitely this low at 149 looks good. There's a BC right above it as well, which sell side right above it as well, so it should give an LR right there. Ideally I'd probably go break even there, I'll be real. But I would want to see it kind of fill it a bit. If we can get it. Okay, market to 50%, we'll have to equal lows here. So looking at this area here. There's your trend line right here. Got lows, lovely, lovely. Got 30 seconds for that. Decent at 30 second. Just approaching that trend line as well. Let's see if we can get a 60 close right here, would be ideal. Got lows within this range as well. I want a 60 close though, from trail anything in. Scale, sorry. Yeah. It's looking good for a model 1 as well. versus steam analyze. Like if you just enter right here, but I entered a bit higher, so it's even better. And okay, it's not lovely, is it? Still left a lot of equal lows there. Guess I'm just looking at how we react to this order block right here. Okay, yes, it's actually remaining lower, and this as well, just in Q taking the piss as usual. Literally is moving lower, so is ES, kind of. Yeah, ES is like remaining weaker, I guess. So I don't see why NQ shut up. I don't have much less lines of defenses in this trade, I'll be real, it's just one. It's just that 60 and the mean threshold, so hopefully it just inverts that first presented that might be making right there, and if it does that, because there's equal lows right below it, that'd be ideal, but we'll see. And if we can invert that, that'd be more ideal for an optimal trade entry. But I don't know, to be honest, at this rate. Let's see. Just enter the model and that's it. We didn't make it more equal lows here, I guess. All the reason to take it. We left that trend line there as well. 1, 2, 3. If we do get this 1 minute second SSD, then I can get a good trailing and good scaling, and I can trail my stop to that second SSD high for better risk to reward. If we get it though. Alright, first presented FEG. Ideally I want to see it invert it, please. If we can get that inversion on that, I'd be mad. Equal lows here as well. I'm looking at this area right here. I see a close below it. And 3 minute alignment is looking good, really good. The 3 minute, 2 minute as well. Jeez. Alright, let's see that 1 minute, we can give a close right here. Alright, close given. I think it should expand here now, because if it does expand, then I think I get my optimal trade entry, but I want to see an expansion, then an optimal trade entry. Should be ideal, but I'm going to put my stop here now. So that would give me about 120. Sorry, yeah. I'll get about 2 in there, just so I can get the about 200 risk on this, so 6, 12, 18. Roughly speaking, if we can get a third 60 here, that'd be ideal. 50% of both hit there. This is what I mean by 1 minute. 1 minute might give an expansion. Yep, it did. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I wanted to use the 30-second as optimal trade entry there. Alright, I prefer the 1 minute now for the optimal trade entry. I don't think it'll come back up there because we just made a BPR kind of thing. Ideally, I'm looking for that 1 minute BC below to be just touched. I'd alert right there, that low. Okay, wanted more expansion, so the optimal trade entry would make sense. Damn it, my fucking thumb is itching. Okay, got equal lows here now. It's the most ideal, easy draw right now. Is this low and this busy. Okay, still there. Consistencies right here as well. Come below this opening, I might go break even. Likely. As that would be third the anticipation. $242.
Order filled.
Can we just hit the optimal trade entry here? Lovely. It's 207 right here. 308. And yeah, about 400 on this one. $1.5 comes around here. Whew. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Ideal break even here and this kind of low. Got lots of trend line here as well. Should see an expansion now. Lovely, lovely, lovely. $2-minute. This is D right here. With a 3-minute opening. Come on, I won't follow through. Got equal lows here, 1, 2, 3 type shit. Okay, should just use the bodies there. 1 minute. Check yes. Hit that busy as well. Okay,
Order filled.
Gonna break even there. And let's see if we can get a 2 on this quickly. Alright, nice. Boom, easy. Alright, yeah, cool. 1.5 R going partial 2 off there. And just gonna get break even on it, so no worries. Right. Hit the sell side as well, that's nice. We're not coming that busy, but we should, ideally. I said ideally. So yeah. I've only got 1 micro on this, so I'm just gonna hold it till this fucking 2 or whatever the fuck this is. If I had more than 1 micro, yeah, I would have partialed it there, held it till these lows, but fuck it. This is high resistance as well. Yeah, lack of sibbies and shit. This is at high resistance in the fact that it moved constantly away from target. I've had worse high resistance than this shit. So I'll just hold this, to be honest. At least to this busy right here. Depending on how we react to that busy, then I'd close it as well. Just only a 35 kind of loss on that, so I want to really see it just rush through it and go straight to TB. That'd be ideal. Come on, let's get some in here. Okay, I don't think there's going to be any buys anytime soon. Just looking at that H1. Okay, we've got a nice expansion there. Okay, let's give it a reaction there. 15 second. Might flatten this in a bit.
Order filled.
300 locked in, boom. No worries. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can get anything else for the day on that. So most of yesterday's loss already recovered. Alright, that actually hit TP in there, wow. How lovely. Alright. This was a good model of be run. Right, yeah. Alright, that higher time frame hit good as well. Seems like we're just going to continue on that. Honestly, I will not be looking for buys in this at all, because the H4 idea is pretty much gone good. The H1 balance price range and M15 balance price range getting respected lovingly. I've got mitigation block there, I think. No, sorry, breaker block, which the body's closed below it. Yeah. But right now, ES and Dow are a lot stronger in bearishness than NQ. Way stronger. NQ still got that sell side below though. So I probably would look for the sell if given, but I want to see some sort of thingy. Retracement higher to grab some buy stops, pretty much. This was a good trade nonetheless, to be real. Let's see what 3 PM does, if it does anything. Did grab a bit of buy stops there, but I'm not really interested in that. Maybe these up here, good. And I like how we did a not enter right here. We waited for that 50% retracement up here, and then I think it was here actually, but yeah, and then we waited, then it came lower. We did enter optimal trade entry here because there was none given when we entered, optimal trading tree right here, I think it was. It's even given here. No, was it this one then? I think it was 30-second, but we entered nonetheless. Hit it, boom. Okay, that's a really strong reaction from that. See if they're making a 5-minute displacement. Yeah, they did. Made a 5-minute CB with lots of wicks right above it. So yeah, I'll probably trust that area. 15-minute CSD as well. Seems like that's not the premium though, is it? Might bring it above that 1.5 because they equalize. Yeah, you see that 1-minute BIS is being used now. So dumb. How's Dow now more bullish? I don't understand that. Yeah, they're definitely coming to that. Well, those lows. The SMT with Dow as well. Dow's not filled in that. Oh, Dow, oh shit. Dow did not fill in that gap. Neither did ES. And neither did NQ. NQ did a bit, I guess, but yeah, so we probably will come back up for that gap definitely, or maybe tomorrow, because I don't want to see Monday set high of the week anyways. It doesn't even do that anyways, but I'm just saying. So like likely we'll come back for that gap, pretty much. Alright, so we're coming back higher now. I don't think we'll respect this M1560 because we've got equal highs just above as well. And we'll see the higher time frame market structure on that as well. If it does respect that M1560, it will make a really strong run lower, because then it would be making an M15 Cibi, ideally, and all in line with the M30 60. But like, we got equal highs right above it, that's why. Where are those equal highs? It is. It didn't even come to the M1560 either, it just came to the order block right under it. Got equal highs, like smooth ass highs right above it. And then ideally the smooth highs, which is first presented as well. I would want to see how it reacts in that. Got smooth highs right now. But we don't have any trend line yet, so I'll leave that alone for now. This should probably be a decent buy, but I did take that sell side, so I'm not interested in it. It should have taken those lows out. M1560 gave a reaction. There's no trend line though below, so I'm not interested in that per se. I like those equal highs to be taken. M1560 gave a decent reaction there, really good. There's equal lows here I could probably come for, but nah. That was a good ass fucking sell on there. Two-minute lime out of gas. Just not into it, man, just not into it. Could call it a day here, depending on what 3 o'clock gives, because this might just continue going low, I'll be real. And it would have stopped me out as well, I think. Would it have? I think. Break even, I mean. Took a buy side here, 15 minutes SSD and CB right here. Guys, a cunty retracement, I'll be real. And that's the H1 BPR constant encouragement hit. I want to see what PMI does. CAD. I don't think it'll do anything because Canadian dollar. Yes to close lows. Oh, SMT with yes. Dow as well. So NQ is really being a bitch. Wow. This was the first busy before the stop run. Right, yeah. Something ICT teaches. You can't see that on the screen, but right, yeah. So this is that first busy before that stop run. ICT teaches this. You want to use this as your inversion. Although, how the hell would you use that as an inversion? Actually, I guess when it comes here, you could have used it right there, I guess. Like here, you use it. Beautiful. M1560 as well. He's recently taught that. Okay, so that was actually quite a good sell-off on there. Quite a strong sell-off day on sell side hit. Although that's not Asia low, is it? What is it? I don't know. Let's see. That would be Asia's low, just a little bit below, which is right here. I think once Asia low is taken, we might see some buys. Actually, it'll be this one here, like temporary to the org, maybe. Jesus, crazy those buys are. Might take 50% retracement towards this Asia low, potentially. Probably will actually. That's PMI that came in with that news. But 50% retracement is quite nice on this. I think that is just showing its hand right here as well. Oh damn, it is showing it too much right there. Those are some good sells, man. I'm gonna delete this BPR now. No longer needed. Yeah, definitely Asia low looks like the fucking draw. Monday low maybe. It'll probably consolidate once it takes Asia's low, but yeah, I think these sells from 50% retracement look really good. Even though there's no trend line, I'd probably give it a B plus then. There's no trend line, but like 150 risk maybe, or 200 actually. Why not? Nah, this thing's just gonna keep continuing, isn't it? No retracements. Maybe 310 will give it a retracement. Who knows? What if it does? Then I got 50%. I would want to get on this. The thingy optimal trade on this. Okay, seems to just keep continuing, man. What the hell? Bro. I'm not getting that 50% retracement. I don't think so. Let's see if anyone else caught this. I mean, I definitely caught the short, so still hold it. Yeah. I think I guess it's first stage of distribution here as well. Let me see if that's right. Yeah, it's definitely first stage. Because we're in a MMSM as well. Yeah, this thing's not giving a retracement, is it? If it does give a retracement as well, we've just come to an NWAG, so if it gives that 50% retracement, it will literally magnetize back into that NWAG, good for break even. But yeah. I would take that. Actually, no, I would not take that. I was gonna say I would take the optimal trade entry, but there's none there. Yeah, fuck that. I think that this thing will literally just keep going Asia low, I think. HLO, and there you go. Wow, that's a really strong draw there. The one time I don't hold her on her. Straight to HLO is crazy. I mean, it's not even the one time anyways, I'm just aiming for 2 only in these. But yes, HLO taken, the draw. Okay, just reply to this guy. So, bro, what the fuck does he want? Look at that guy. What an idiot. No, it's probably, it's just some idiot. Nope, I'm not meant to see that. Oh. This thing should have melting now. Alright, looks like we might be getting some buys here, but 310 as well. There's no, well, there's a 1 minute alignment, I guess, but I don't know, I don't like it. Still a sell program, looks like. Got trend line here. I'm gonna see what this time frame is saying on this. It seems like Bitcoin did dump. I was actually expecting it to dump today. Silver is dumping like crazy as well. Sheesh. Well, actually not that crazy, but yeah. Nasdaq coming to Monday's low. Ideally, should be really ideal. Did it take that high out or not? Did just about. I might take this sell 310 to Monday's low if the other indexes have not taken that low out. They haven't. Okay, could maybe take this to Monday's low. They might bring it there tonight ideally. We get like a 1 minute alignment as well. Actually now I feel like it'd be too discount to take that. Maybe, I don't know. And we took Asia low just like right now. It's a bit weird one, isn't it? That sell side right there as well. Again, 2 minute Sibi. I don't know, I feel like my model wouldn't be here, would it? Let's see. Do a trend line here as well. I'm going low risk.
Order filled.
The alignment. Purely for the alignment. Looking for Monday's low right below. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. It's not there, is it? Second, third. Dude, I'll go break even on this low right here. Yeah, this is more like a B plus, I'd say, because we do have trend line, we have equal lows, but it might not give me. I don't think there's any alignment per se. Oh shit. Oop. Just missed it. And we just missed the order block high and come lower. That's decently ideal. Equal lows there. Yes, might not give it. Let's see. Close right here. Come on.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Cool. I still think we might get this though. Shit, okay, no worries. Just because I've seen that work before in the past, so I thought I might as well go with it, but no worries. I think in 2 minute right here I might give something on the set. If it doesn't and we get a alignment, I might take it instead. 2 minute right here. Times out 50%. Tracement. Might have just got stopped there for no reason. Side of the 5 minute Sibi as well. Jeez, I might have just stopped me there for no reason because we got 1 minute trend line here now as well. No alignment yet though. 2 minute might give one though. 2 minute looks good alignment. And there. Nope. It's like an easy trade if it gives it really easy. That's why I want to get in this, because it would be really easy for this to go to Monday's low. Well, we don't have a 1 minute alignment unfortunately, so I'm not taking that. Equal lows here, I've got a trend line as well. Kind of just want to see if 1 minute can close there and make a versus D right there within this range. 2 minute would be nice as well. Come on, okay, might make that there. Don't come for those equal highs.
Order filled.
I don't know where those equal lows are. So this Monday's low again, where is it? It's literally right here. Shit, we just bounced right off that. Okay, it's really equal right here. Get more alignment, I'm gonna get in one more. To be honest, if we get 2 minute alignment again on that.
Order filled.
Call it a day. I don't want to really get in this PA, it's kind of shit, I'll be wrong. Sorry. Meh. 2 losers, 1 win, fuck it, okay. That 1 win though could have been a massive win, I'll be wrong. I still think we'll get something around here, but fuck it, I don't care. Because the thing is, I've learned about win streaks and loss streaks is, if you want to end a loss streak, you just stay green. Simple as that. You just stay green, and then the next trade or whatever will usually be a win. It'll usually just be like the next day will usually be green. But if you keep losing, the best way to end that loss streak is to find a green day, even if it's small like this. This was originally big, but man, it is what it is. Just want to be satisfied without you winning. So yeah. Meh, it is what it is. those were low risk losses as well, so I'd say that's still decent. Call it there anyways. Till next time, we say.